We turn out in Wake County somewhere between 800 and 900 evictions a week, and that's a staggering number. And it's also on the criminal side. We're in North Carolina, we have staggeringly about 1.25 million North Carolinians without their driver's license. We serve hundreds of clients a year that aren't going to be served otherwise. And so if you don't have clinics and law students filling in the gap, and you don't have pro bono counsel filling in the gap, then literally tens of thousands of people who need a lawyer, who could benefit from a lawyer, don't have access.
Some of the benefits that the students get out of being in this clinic is that by removing them from the law school environment and bringing them into what we commonly refer to as a functioning firm, we work with them as colleagues as well as students. They have the opportunity to work one-on-one with clients. They handle cases. They are sort of the first chair on the case along with their supervising attorney.
It's been so rewarding to see that experience, that confidence build over the course of this semester.
The collateral consequences and the impact of this work is just almost impossible to describe how big it is.
We have both a civil and criminal side of the clinic. On the civil side, our main goal is to prevent homelessness and to work with the city of Raleigh to do that within the city boundaries. On the criminal side of the clinic, we work with driver's license restoration, we help expunge criminal records, and we work with juvenile parolees who've been in prison for many years who are potentially looking at parole to transition out of the prison system and into a productive life.
I really appreciate how hard our students work to learn about people that grew up very differently from them and who live very differently from them, and to be able to use all that they're learning in law school and all their talents and experiences to help people who really need help and for whom something little like just getting driver's license privileges back can make a huge difference on their lives.
I think it's important for any student to take a clinic, especially this clinic, because they can see how everything they're learning in the classroom really comes together to be able to benefit their community. And I think that that's one of the most valuable skills that you can get out of law school.
The students are so passionate about this work that they have returned to the clinic in various other aspects. We have research assistants that work at the clinic who've previously taken the course.
We are going to separate out the two different options for an appeal that the tenant has.
We also have independent study students this semester.
It's just a great opportunity to go out and actually feel like you're doing something impactful and really practicing law. I could not imagine my law school career without it.
Not only are we developing compassionate lawyers, but we're enhancing the profession by emphasizing the importance of pro bono work.
So I see the clinic as growing both in size as well as stature. I think the work that we do isn't going to change dramatically because it's clear the numbers show the necessity of that. I think it's a bright future, and I think it's an incredibly worthwhile endeavor both for the law school reputationally, for the law students professionally, and for the community.